Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Tjmaxx, just checking out the purses as of right now. So let's see, this right here, don't know the name brand, but it's $24.99. A very nice little black carry bag. GC Couture, $24.99. Little nice bag right here with the gold beads, $19.99. And let's see what this is right here. That's very nice. Steve Madden, $34.99. Very nice. And let's see here, this bag right here. I love this bag right here. This is with Mudo. The price is $79.99. That's not bad. This nice wine color bag right here, Calvin Klein, $49.99. Very nice. And the price of it is going for $24.99. Very nice bag. And Klein. So that bag that I showed you earlier, this black bag right here is Anne Klein. And that was $24.99. But I also have this one right here as well, $29.99. And how cute is this little small bag right here? Not sure who it's made by, but $9.99 for that. And this backpack up here, Guess backpack, $34.99. $12.99 for that. Michael Kors, this is a Michael Kors clutch, $69.99. Dooney and Burke, $99. I love this Jessica Simpson bag right here. Has a little feather on the end, $29.99. This backpack right here says Love. Very nice, I like that. $29.99. And it's by a company by the name of Light Dreams. But they have a lot of nice black bags here. Steve Madden, $28. Alright guys, so they have a lot of Easter items out now. So I'm going to take a look. Start right here. These little bunny pictures right here, $6.99. They also have that one there as well. Those are really nice. They have that little blessed bowl with the bunny, $9.99. And how cute is this right here? The gnome and the bunny hanging out the blue little car, $12.99. I think I showed those in my last Marshalls video there. Be True to You, $4.99. I have these little guys up here that's hanging out. This little gnome with his egg here, he is $9.99. This little girl right here is $7.99. But they have a lot of gnomes for Easter. How cute is this one right here? $6.99. He has the little ears. $7.99 for that guy. Look at the little sheep. $6.99. And they have these little guys right here hanging out. They're very cute. And look how cute these little bunnies are back here with the little polka dot, the little black polka dots. They are $7.99. Alright, I think I showed you these earlier. Let's see here. There is a Easter, the little Easter figurines right here. Those are really cute. They are going for $12.99. More of the gnomes here. I mean, there are gnomes everywhere. Look at that. Little cute bunnies. This little girl right here, she's $6.99. They have the green, the house and garden little animals here. They have the bunny, the ducks. Those are $6.99. $4.99. $4.99 for that. And they have some nice little handmade flower pots here. These are $5.99. Those are really nice. I love this one right here. Handcrafted by artisan. Very nice. They have this jewelry box here by Ray Dunn. $12.99. Here is a 6-foot garland right here with the bunnies. $12.99 for those. And those Happy Easter buckets right there. I don't know the price of those. Look how beautiful those eggs are in different colors. And these actually light up, these ones right here. I have this one right here. Let's see, the price of these are $12.99. And they also have that pink one back there, pink and turquoise one back there. How beautiful is that one there? And they have some wedding decor. Best day ever. Welcome to our happily ever after. $7.99 for those. And these right here are $7.99. And they have tons and tons of Easter candy. They have the pasta, the Easter pasta. Some napkins here. $2.99. You get 40. They have this one right here. And this one right here. Alright guys, so I'm back here on the wall of photos here, or the wall of pictures. They have some very nice pictures out today. Very nice, with the chandelier. Wash, brush, floss, and flush, Ray Dunn. I love that feather photo right here. Take deep breaths, $12.99. What a beautiful mess. This is our happy place. She is really pretty, $16.99. I'm not going to get her today, guys. Attract what you expect, reflect what you desire, become what you respect, and mirror what you admire. Very nice. You are entirely up to you. But they have a lot of nice pictures out. Very nice. Little 3 bears up there. I love that photo right there. $19.99. Go great in your bathroom. Okay, so I see that Ray Dunn has started putting out small pieces of furniture here. So this right here would be great at your coffee bar right here, but coffee first. And let's see how much the price of this is. That, guys, is $19.99. That would be very nice. She also has this towel and more right here. And I think this is going for $59, if I'm not mistaken. $59. I saw this at Marshall's. I love that little table right there. They have a lot of nice furniture. This piece right here is $49.99. I love that mirror right there. Price of it is $49.99 for that. And as you can see, they have a lot of nice pillows there. White, yellow, really nice pillows. All right, so more Easter pieces. Here's some more of those eggs. This right here says So Extra, $4.99. That's all yolks by Ray Dunn, $5.99. Love My Peeps, $5.99 for that. And they have that container back there. It says Happy Easter. Not sure the price of that. I have this galvanized little bunny right here. $6.99 for that. And look how cute are they. They're reading the book. I think I showed you this earlier. Easter, $12.99. They have the little wooden bunnies here. We don't have prices. The pink truck here, a little spring. We started putting some spring items out here. And a lot of the bunnies here at the bottom. There's that container again. All right, so this end cap right here has a bit of everything. So I see a lot of the elephants. This little jar of 6 right here, $5.99. We have the Buddha. You can actually put a candle on the inside, $6.99. They have the frog, the snail, and the bunny here. But they have a lot of nice things on this end cap right here. A lot of the different color trays. They have the monkey. A lot of nice things on this end cap. All right, so I just wanted to bring you down this row here to see what type of little notepads they have here. This one says everything will be okay. Take time to make your soul happy. Just plain notepads, guys, that you can put your, maybe your, make it out of a journal. This right here is really nice. Look at this. I'm going to show this to you guys. I think it's just plain white paper. Let's see. Actually, it's a calendar, so that would be very nice. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the inside. $4.99 for that. Here's a book, The Astrology of You and Me. They have calendars right down here. If you're looking for a calendar, Ray-Don Weekly Desk Pad, that would be very nice. This week, $4.99. A lot of more desk pads right here. Mouse pad, notepad, 50 sheets. They come in different ones. Here's the one with the butterflies, and all of these are going for $3.99, so that's a great deal. Very nice. More notebooks here. Be the reason someone smiles today. And they have these right here. You are enough. All right, so another nice piece right here. Nice, maybe nightstand for $56, but I love the detail. I love the metal pieces here, gold pieces. I love that lamp there. And guys, look at this right here. Very beautiful. $79.99 for that. This nice lamp right here. I think I will actually change the lamp shade and put another shade on there for $29.99.
Do you think I should set it up myself or wait for myself?
Very nice leather chairs right here. Those are $49.99. Here's another one here. All right, so they have some very nice pots and pans here. Look at this right here, this griller. This grill pan right here. $16.99. It has the wood in there. They have this skillet right here. $14.99. Here's a larger one right here with the wood holder. $16.99. So these are very reasonable. I love these. I love the color. We also have these right here, the boilers, the small boilers. $12.99. And as you know, Tjmaxx has teas and candy and any type of items you want. So I'm looking for some, maybe some mango tea. That's my favorite tea, but I only see green tea right here. This is an organic ginger lemon green tea right here. Walker is my favorite cookie. This is a mini lemon shortbread egg cookie, and this is what they look like. $3.99. have some cocoa wafers here. They have those. But they have a lot of candies here. This right here is Bobo's Chocolate Chip Oat Bites. They have those. Alright guys, so on this end cap, they have some very nice pillows here. So they have a set of 3 pillows here, and this is what they look like. Those are really nice, and they're by House and Garden. Let's see if I can find a price for you. They always put the prices in the craziest spots, guys, but I don't see a price of those. They have these right here, $7.99. I'm determined to get a price for you guys. So this set right here is $29.99 for that. They have these footstools down here. They were $80, but now they're $59.99. Very nice. Another gnome here, $9.99. Don't worry, be happy. $16.99. But those pillows are really nice. You get a set of 3. They have that 6-piece comforter set up there at the top. And guys, look at the gnomes on the side. They're $9.99. Very nice. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Tjmaxx to see what they had, guys. Guys, look at this right here. I love these colors. These oversized blankets right here by Kate Spade. These are very nice. These are $24.99. That mustard color. Smile by Ray Dunn. $16.99 for those. Those are very nice. Create Joy by Ray Dunn. $16.99. And I love that ottoman right there. You can put things on the inside of that. Let me step back so you can see that. That's $129.99. But they have a lot of nice items, guys. Look at those pillows up there with the 2 bunnies. Welcome. Those are $49.99 there. I love these colors right here. This is by Rachel Zoe. $79.99. It's a 3-piece comforter set here. You get the towels. Very soft, quick dry. These are very nice. And you get a set of these right here for $7.99. And on this very last end cap, they have the pillows, the bunnies. They have that nice king cotton quilt right there for $49.99. Ray Dunn, you get a set of 3. Home Sweet Home, $19.99. My Happy Place. But guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. So I'm going to head to the back here to see if they have any dog coats. My Whitney, she needs a coat. She has plenty, but they've all outgrown her, so... But she's outgrown them. So I'm looking for her a little small coat or something. And of course they don't have any. Alright. But alright guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.